You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this cheese brand, the name of this cheese manufacturing company based in Wisconsin, United States. The Italian pronunciation is pronounced as BelGioioso. Belgio, so replace the GI in the middle with a J, Belgio, and then so. BelGioioso, that's your Italian pronunciation. In English it's pronounced similarly. BelGioioso, BelGioioso, BelGioioso Cheese Company, BelGioioso. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.